I'm a private chef, and I use 5 simple tricks to drastically reduce food waste when cooking for clients. Take stock of what's in the fridge and freezer before writing your grocery list. Pick recipes that use ingredients that need to be used up. It's easy to get distracted in the grocery store. Bring your meal plan with you so it's fresh in your mind. When cooking for clients, I have to stick to the list, and only the list, since they pay for groceries. It's helped me to develop that habit in my own shopping. There are a lot of hardy herbs that grow almost year-round in the Seattle climate. Rosemary, thyme, sage, and oregano. I save on food waste and save money by using homegrown herbs. If you don't have outdoor space, grow herbs in indoor pots. When you get home from the store, take 10 minutes to store food properly and add days, if not weeks, to its life. Unwrap herbs and either place them back in the bag with a damp paper towel or store them in a jar of water like flowers. Slice crusty bread and store it in the freezer. Rinse and dry berries, place them on a dry paper towel or cloth, and store them in containers with the lid slightly ajar. If you can easily tell what something is and when it was made, you're more likely to eat it. As a chef, I often add labels to my clients' finished meals so they know exactly what's inside and in which order to eat their meals for freshness.